Hello there everybody. I'm here today to show you how to deep clean a recliner chair, reclining chair. And here, my carpet cleaner that I'm going to be demonstrating with you today is a Hoover Steam Vac SpinScrub 50 with tools and attachments. And how it works is like you hook the hose up, the spray injection for the cleaning solution in the water to a whole upholstery and stair connection to spray where the water and cleaning solution goes on the fabric. And then the dirty water goes through the black housing of the hose to the recovery dirty water tank. And it's very simple and really easy to use. And here I'm going to demonstrate to you right now how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You spray it, make sure you go over it as many times as you can and make it as dry as possible. Forward, back stroke, and then do a side to side hand stroke. Make sure you get all of the dirty water and the solution all picked up before you go. Alright there, that was just one pass with the bottom cushion is what I did for an example just to demonstrate to you how easy it is to use. But later on I'm going to do the whole rest of this recliner, and boy oh boy, it's going to look and smell very pretty nice, like brand new. And this is a lazy boy recliner from the late 80s, and boy oh boy, they sure don't make chairs like this good anymore. I'll tell you that. But anyway, guys, that's my demonstration of how to deep clean upholstery using like a cloth chair, cloth car seats, even carpeted stairs with a Hoover Steam Vac SpinScrub 50. Alright then, guys, take care. I'll see y'all later.